Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcomes you to Easy Money Show. Today, I'm there near Muttati, and this is a place where you have a beautiful temple of Sri Hanuman Ji. And after taking blessings of Hanuman, I'm there at the Kaveri waters, which just flows next to the temple here. I'm there with my family, enjoying my time, but still ensuring you get market updates. Yesterday, Nifty, after opening a gap up of 60 to 70 points in the morning, till afternoon it held the gap up. But then it saw some amount of profit booking, and Bank Nifty clearly outperformed. Afternoon session we saw some amount of one single FII big sell order, because of which market came down around 120 to 150 points on Nifty. Whereas Bank Nifty, if you see, even at the close it was way up, and even though Nifty was just struggling and closed more or less close to flat, Bank Nifty closed over 100 points positive. SBI was a clear outperformer, and I expect real estate as a sector to outperform for the day. No doubt we have only two good stocks which are there in F&O market from the real estate sector. You have one Godrej Property and two DLF. Both can definitely outperform. DLF has strong supports at levels of 280 to 300, and yesterday it has given a clear volume breakout with great increase in open interest with prices moving on the upside. Look at Godrej Property, a very big outperformer. Even when last 3 to 5 years when real estate as a sector has never performed, still Godrej Property has been a huge outperformer. So my number one pick will be Godrej Property and then DLF. Now come to even good mid and small cap from real estate sector. You have stocks like Oberoi Realty, which is really good, and one of the stocks, Ajmera Realty, which I recommended just about 2 weeks back in our Zero to Millionaire program, attended by a lot of people, that has already given a return of over 20% in just last 2 weeks. I see a target of around 340 to 350 to come on Ajmera Realty, and Oberoi Realty will also be a good stock. Kolte Patil, I like it a lot. And when it comes to Frontline, look at Godrej Property and DLF. I'm sure all these market updates coming live from Muttati adds lot of value to you. And in fact, today we are planning to next move to Biligiri Rangana Betta, BR Hills, and we have Ranganatha Swami there. I will be taking blessings of Ranganath Swami today. From there, I have plans to go to Nanjangoodu to watch Shiva there and Nanjundeshwara, and once I complete there, might be afternoon I'll spend time, and from there planning to go to Gopal Swami Betta, where we have Lord Krishna. So I want to take today blessings of Hanumanji, which is done, and then go to Shiva temple, Ranganatha Swami temple, and Krishna. With this I'll be back home today itself and see this beautiful place on the backside. Yes, this is Muttati. Hope you also enjoy. Take care of yourself and your family. Have a very blissful, happy, peaceful day. Profitable day as usual. And I want each one of you to be happy and profitable. Thank you so much. We'll give you today's evening Easy Money Show also, and more updates in YouTube in your channel Rudralogy. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.